Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Reading Extreme 3D app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to choose for your list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Extreme or Reading Extreme 3D app, or just click on search. Then here add Reading Extreme 3D app, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on full stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click here on Play Store here, we search here for Reading Extreme 3D app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.